Hello, friends. Sanjay here with Liazon Marketing. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you something different that we do at Liazon Marketing. We just don't do Amazon PPC and all the good stuff. We do a lot more than that, and that is something called leads. Okay, you have a business to run, you need leads. How do you grab it? Well, we can offer you the service. The service is basically gives you a whole page of leads. So let me share with you something that I have a customer. He's actually a business broker, broker in Broward County, Florida. So let me show you what I'm doing for him. And he has given me permission to share. So let me show you the good stuff that we do for him. Uh, Basically, he specializes in restaurants, auto shop, any kind of business, whether it's online business or whether it's actual store that's selling, products. So his request was to send him a list of all the citrus grove, manufacturers like people that sell citrus in Florida because Florida is well known for citrus. Well, this is the results I got for him. You see, he gets the name here. I'm going to show you. So you have the name of the companies, okay, as their addresses, where they're located, okay. No, sorry, this is the bar. Like what? All right. So basically, this is a whole list he gets, okay. It's $149. You get a full page of whatever location you're gonna tell me. You're gonna say I want in Miami. I'm gonna pull out whatever kind of business. So if you're gonna say, I want a bar in Miami, so this one is Broward County, for example. So whatever it comes, see, there's like unlimited. Man, this is money making stuff. This is like you get 101 business information, and guess what? You can do mailouts. You can send them mailouts. All you need is the name, the business name, and the address. You can sell them mailouts. You can call them. Uh, you can actually go and call their phone numbers. Some of them even have email address. You can shoot them an email. Send like a bulk email using Gmass. There's Instantly. There's Mailchimp. There's Constant Contact. You just gotta make sure that they subscribe to you first before you can send them. Uh, their social media has a lot of business probably doesn't have like the old fashioned ones, but the new ones, you get all their information, their social media stuff. So, my friends, there is so many ways you can target these businesses. Now, let me tell you what this person, this business broker does. So, he actually goes and he does everything. He texts them, he sends them messages. Then he goes on the other side, he goes and he does email marketing. Then on the other side, he's sending them regular mail, with his own stuff, with his own information and everything. And guess what? Uh, some of these businesses, I tell you, like bars, for example, in Florida, they range, like from $600,000 and above because they're licensed. If they're selling liquor, that license itself is $400,000. So think about it. You get 100 listings here. Well, it depends on the category you're targeting. So we can target anything. You are a realtor, I can get you leads. You're a business broker, I can get you leads. You are an Amazon seller, I can get you leads. I mean, I can get you, whatever you need. You're a freelancer, you want seller's information, I can get you that information. Okay? 150 bucks, whatever the page, some pages, like for example, this is, $150. It has only like 26 leads. But let me tell you something. These groves, wherever they're located, they're not a million or $5 or $10 million listing. That's huge. I mean, they got acres and acres of land. You get a business like this, man, you're hitting 20, $30 million easily. Okay. That's if you're a business broker, if you know what to do. Look at this one. This is a cement manufacturing products in Miami, Florida. Now look at this. How many leads we got on this listing? Wow. 119 gives you all the information you need to go and grab those leads. Here's another one. Is a technology company in Broward County. Uh, check it out. Wow, this keeps on going. Oh my God. Okay, it's not even Broward. It's just giving you all over this. I don't know how it goes. But anyways, your price, 149. How can you go wrong? 210 leads. Go out there and do your stuff, my friends. Look at this. This is car factories, the auto stores that you see. This is in Broward County. It has CarMax. It has all of them. This one has 61. So this is what it is. This is how you profit. These are Miami restaurants in Miami. All the restaurants. Check it out. Look at it. Oh my God. So many restaurants. 181 restaurants. For $149, that's like less than $1 a piece. And guess what? You get all the information, as much information I can grab for you. You get all that information. You sell one of these businesses, you're 149 what? You can get all the money out by doing this. All right. So if you have any questions, concerns, let me know. This is Sanjay Wadhwani with Liazon Marketing. If you're running an Amazon business, you need buyer leads. Give me the state you're in, give me whatever, or normally for Amazon and e-commerce leads, we normally go after nationwide leads, nationwide, as many buyers as we can get to grab your business. All right. So all the best and have a good day. Bye-bye.